good?
Is it over?
Are they good?
It's good, but it can't be over. Please don't be over.
Who would you compare them to?
That's a tough one.
Who would you compare them to?
You know what?
You know
what? I don't know if you can compare them to anybody because they are grooving.
Is this the first time you've heard them?
No.
They got their own
They're
fucking
grooving.
tempo.
They're
The drummer is bitching. Whoever the drummer is back there,
They
I think he's
are
excellent.
bad.
I heard Blink 182 today.
No, not even close.
Fuck
Blink
that.
182. Pussy.
That, dude.
Pussy.
Okay, check this
Crap,
out.
guys.
There's some current people in Tucson right now that are my friends who currently, we had tickets to go here tonight and they passed it up to go to Warren.
Tell you what, I paid to get in tonight and I
Would
know
you go to Warren instead of this?
Fuck that, dude. You know what? I passed up Machine Head and Reveille tonight to come to this fucking show because
I
these
passed up
guys
JFA at
are
the
fucking
jar,
bad.
dude. JFA reunion show. To be here tonight, thank you very much.
Was it worth your time?
What she says.
Was it
What
worth
she
your time?
says.
What she said. It was very good.
Heidi, can you yell something for the camera, please? Just yell, the aggressive sound session.
The aggressive sound session.
Do you think they rock?
They rock. Okay, move the camera down.
Can you yell the aggressive sound session?
The aggressive sound session!
Aggressive sound session! Aggressive sound session!
The aggressive sound session. Can we get one?
The aggressive sound session!
Can I get it once?
What's that?
The aggressive sound session. Just yell it.
The aggressive sound session!
Currently